Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. The Custom Trail Boss is powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability for your trailer mode, push button 4x4, automatic headlights. Your steering wheel has cruise control and forward collision warning, column shifter, keyed ignition on the Custom. We have a 6-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, single zone climate control, integrated trailer braking system, dual USB ports, all black interior as well, and our cloth seats up front. We do have our center console here that does double as the 6th seat as well. So this is a 6-passenger crew cab Chevrolet Silverado. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. We have the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. Coming to the front, Z71 package. The Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, so you have that larger ground clearance. This custom Trail Boss has the halogen light bulbs, Z71 branded grille, red tow hooks, 6.2 liter decal on the hood. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. At the rear of the truck, we do have LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as a trailer tow package and backup camera. Jumping into the interior here, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Solid rear window with defrost and a solid roof over top. LED lighting with extra headroom, as well as our rear heat and AC vents. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.